What's up guys, welcome back to McLaren Media, your home for everything cars, photography and videography. In today's video we're going to be switching out the alternator in my MK6 Fiesta. If your battery light is illuminated, it could be a problem with the charging circuit in your vehicle, and mostly it's to do with the alternator. To check the charge level, attach a voltmeter to the battery terminals when the car is running, and look for a number around 14 volts. This job will be a lot easier if you remove the front bumper and driver's side headlight. I have a video on how to do this on the channel already. First, use a 10mm to remove the battery terminals. Then, using a 15mm spanner, move the belt tensioner and remove the auxiliary belt. Then use a 14mm on the alternator positive strap and remove the plug just below it. A small drill bit can be used to hold the tensioner in place. This allows access to the three 10mm bolts holding the tensioner to the block. Remove the tensioner and you'll be able to gain access to the 16mm bolts on the alternator. There are two top and two bottom. Remove the boost hose to gain access to the right side upper bolt. The bottom ones are located above where the AC would have sat. I have already removed this previously and have a video on how to do this if you need to remove it too. Here is the old alternator and you can see the 4 bolt holes and the plug locations. Here is the old and new alternators next to each other. Offer up the alternator into the mount and attach one bolt to hold it in place. Reattach the power lead and plugs. Then replace the tensioner. I found doing the rear bolt first, then attaching the other two was the easiest way to reattach it. Then use the 15mm spanner and reattach the auxiliary belt and retension. Here is it all reattached. Right guys, so it'd be at this point in the video that I tell you that all went well, you know, it's not the biggest job in the world, blah blah blah, all that sort of stuff, but unfortunately it's not. Because it turns out this alternator, the one that I've just taken off the car, didn't actually, wasn't actually the problem. Because we started the car after we'd replaced it with a fresh alternator and the problem was still there. So I'm going to explain to you what's happened, because I did a bit of research and I discovered that this actually is a common problem amongst this style of Fiesta, this 1.6 TDCI. So I don't know if you can see in this picture here, we didn't notice it at first, or I didn't notice it at first at least, until I sort of got my cousin, who's a bit of a whiz with electronics, to have a look at it. Do you see that orange wire buried deep down there on the plug that connects into the alternator? Do you see that tiny bit of yellow on it? Well, that's the wire effectively perishing. That's the copper inside corroding, basically, and breaking down. Now, if we look at the wiring diagram, that wire is solely responsible for telling the dashboard that the alternator is there. It purely goes to the fuse box, then to the dashboard. So, when we decided, well, let's fix the wire, see if that does anything, it worked a little bit better for it stayed off, the alternator light, the battery light, sorry, stayed off for a little bit longer, but it did come on again. So we were like, oh, and then my cousin said, have you yet bothered checking the fuses? So the fuse box in the Fiesta underneath the passenger side on the dashboard, never guess what, the fuse had actually blown, and that was probably what was actually causing the light on the dashboard. It was nothing to do with the alternator. It was probably purely to do with that wire, which in turn, because it wasn't carrying the right current, it decided to blow the fuse. So in my personal opinion, if you've got the same issue as me, check the fuse box and the wire and loom first, because that fuse literally cost me like £1 from Halfords. It was nothing. It's literally a tiny little 3-amp fuse. So I've got an alternator here that might actually still work, but it's always good to have spare parts. But the car has got a fresh one in, and overall this video is showing you how you replace the alternator on a Fiesta. But I just thought I'd throw in there the calamities and obviously the learning curve that we've gone through with this fix and that, and I hope you guys find that you know, interesting. I hope they find that helpful in the future if you have the same problem. But as always guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've actually learned something, because I definitely have from this this calamity and this experience. But as always guys, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I know then you're wanting to see more content, and I will see you in my next video guys. Cheers.